Hello everyone, Ronville channel here in the house. And guys, today we got our new toy, and it is the GoPro 10 Hero 10 Black, and we're gonna unbox this one. I need to do it quick. We're gonna check what's inside. We just got it today, fresh from okay, we're gonna check what's inside. Yeah guys, this one like you can upload your footage to the cloud while charging, so that's the advantage of this. Okay, the GoPro with a case. This is a nice case here. Here it is. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. And then there's a quick guide here, and we got our manual. Alright, everything is here, guys. Everything's here, written. Okay, put it there, and we'll put it back. Okay, and here's what's inside the box. Right. Okay, here's the camera. Of course, camera, GoPro 10. Yeah. Okay, here we go, like that. And we got a cable. Yeah, the cable will be, this is the USB plug and 3.5 plug, and also this coming with one battery and all the stuff, the holder for the cam, and this okay, yeah, stick on, like where you can put it to any of the maybe helmet, because we sometimes will use it for Motovlog, right? So Motovlog or anything at the tennis court or going some hike. So that is what's inside here. And guys, the advantage here is that it has the 23 megapixels, right? Yeah, it has 23 megapixels, and we got the 5.3K, yeah, 60 and 4K 120. So it will be good. It will be fast and more clearer than the iPhone. I guess this should be clearer than the iPhone 13, or yeah, they have their advantages, and also 10 meters waterproof, or 3.3 feet. And we got a GoPro 2 GP2 processor, so it will be fast. And it's yeah, see, as I said earlier, it's the 23 megapixels, and then we got the capture here, like 5.3. Also, as I said, the camera proof, and with the voice control, 8 times slow-mo, and like for example, if you're doing live video, live streaming on a motorbike or anywhere, you can do this one, guys. So it's cool. It's a good toy. I have another recommendation. I can recommend this one. And we got that super photo, and also we can download this one to the cloud, right? Automatically, yeah. And we got the webcam mode, and of course mode ready. It's mode ready. Cool. It's cool, guys. So anyway, our new toy, GoPro Hero 10. Yeah, so we have for Motovlog. And maybe, guys, next time I'm gonna show you the captures of this one and more and other features, right, guys? So we'll be showing you how this really works. So our new toy, guys, thank you for watching, and hope you'll get one too. I can recommend this one, guys. Yeah, I'll put it back again in the box, back to the case. And this is Ronville channel in the house, guys. Thank you for joining me on my unboxing. And yeah, I love the case. It's a beautiful case. Very handy too. It's like 5-6 inches. It's nice. Very handy. And with the battery here, we're gonna check again how long is the battery life on this camera, on this GoPro. And let's see more how does it when you're transferring to your phone or to the computer. So we're gonna check this one. Just check it out next time, guys. I will put it. I will be uploading it on my next vlog. And of course, the capture of this one, capture video. Yeah. So we got this. Everything. This one. You can put this one on the helmet also. Okay. You can place it here. And let's just have a quick look. So excited. Goodness, Mamma Mia. Alright, here we go. I don't want to destroy the case, guys. I just keep it like this. Ooh, see? We got this one. So it's very good. Like, it's the same with the 8 or the 9. So you can have this one. Have this one straight. So excited. So here's the, oh, by the way, guys, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so it's cool. So everything is here, on, off, and you got a charging cable. You can open it here. Anyway, guys, I'll show you next time. Anyways, guys, this is it. The new toy, GoPro Hero 10. Alright, guys, thank you guys all for watching. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys again on my next vlog, Ronville channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, Ronville channel, and also my other channel, guys. I'll be using this video more on my Motovlog. So I've got my other second channel, like the Ronville Motovlog. Yeah, so that will be, this will be more uploads from now on. All right. So that's it. Thank you guys for thank you once again. Thank you once again. All right? Ciao.